Hey everybody, how's it going? Ed Bone here at Garrett's Garage. Today, I'm going to show you some more stuff that we got done and I've got done. Um, all the stuff that I've gotten done. So here we go, everybody. And remember, like and subscribe. Hit that little dealio, that bellio thing, and you'll see more of these videos and can check me out if you like. Whatever, everybody. But I'm going to show you some paint stuff today. Painted the rack, and I'll show you that and a few other things and talk about it when I'm showing it to you on the 95 Camaro. So you all can get a better update and see what's been going on lately. Been raining here, so I can't go outside and paint any more parts. So was playing with other things. I'll show you here. The throttle body, put the airfoil in. Got one of them LT1 plates on the top. That's cool. Huh? Like it? Yes, sir. And I put the cable in. Like I said, that dang strap's in the way from holding the motor up. But I put a cable in. I had to make my own little bracket. I'll still trim it up and make it look a little better than it is. That's just rough. It's in, and can play with it from there. But that's in, and that's out. That's all that junk that was up in there. You know, right up that one was right by the valve cover, so you had to take that off to even look at your valve covers. I said, give me more room in there. I swear, give me more room. Yeah, we got the, I'll get a light down here and get my light. Show you what else we've done. There's no more bolt-on subframe connectors in there. Remember that? They were in there? Well, move this tire out of our way because the tire's underneath there. And the subframe connector, let me get this tire out of the way so I can show you a little more better. The bolt-on subframe connector hardware came so I could bolt them on. And it's in. They're in. Back here. We got them in. Heck yeah. Still waiting on the K member to come. Still waiting on the K member to come. Still waiting on K member to come and other things. Well, we do have something else outside that I went and got yesterday. And they are the back hatch back here is a pain in the butt. It's them shocks are gone. So just to show y'all, we'll hit the garage door at Garrett's Garage. Remember, I'm Ed Bone. And I got some new shocks. I just went to the junkyard and found some good ones. They're cheap. They worked last time like that. Just went to the junkyard, got some. There's my sodies. You guys gotta have something to drink. The guy's gotta have something to drink when he's working on his ride. Yeah. Show you these, show you that rack I painted. Got her all painted up. I'm gonna paint it again some more. But it don't look too bad, huh? So I hope there isn't any noise, traffic going by. There's some more over here. There's the old K-member, and the stabilizer bar. Them are the calipers. Didn't turn out too bad. I'm gonna throw some more coats of paint on that. How about them? Them didn't turn out too bad. I didn't think. It could be worse. I've seen worse. But yeah, I'm gonna give them some more paint. Once it gets a little nicer here and warms up, today's only 46 degrees. My extra Chevy panels off the Blazer. Suburban. Off the Suburban. There's the hood. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Playing with this. What are we gonna do today? I think I will do the EGR delete back in there. It's that little pumpy thing. Kind of get my right there. That sucker there. That son of a gun. I'm gonna take it out. Take it off this motor. And I'll probably do some more cleaning because I found some. I gotta find my light again. Do some more cleaning underneath. When I was crawling underneath there, I found a couple spots I missed with the bed liner stuff, so I will spray some more bed liner stuff on there. I will show it to you guys quick. If you can see, I was down here one night playing around, and I was like, there's a couple spots. Look at that, like that line runs there, and the one that runs back there, that little spot there too. See? So thanks everybody for watching. I'll update some more stuff when more stuff comes along. And I'm going to play in the back wheel wells too some more. Get them done so I can show you the paint job and everything on them. Yeah, until next time, keep wrenching, man. Keep wrenching.